Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide how to bypass secure boot, TPM, RAM and CPU requirements during Windows 11 setup. So without further ado, let's get right into it. To bypass secure boot, TPM 2.0, RAM and CPU requirements during Windows 11 setup, you can use the following steps. Start Windows 11 setup. Insert your Windows 11 installation USB drive and boot from it. Proceed until you reach the Windows 11 setup screen. Open Command Prompt. Press Shift plus F10 on the setup screen to open the command prompt. Open Registry Editor. In the command prompt, type regedit and press Enter to open the registry editor. Modify registry. Go to H-key Local Machine, System, Setup. Right-click on Setup. Select New then Key, and name it Lab Config, exactly as written. Inside Lab Config, create the following D-word, 32-bit, values, bypass TPM check, bypass secure boot check, bypass RAM check, bypass CPU check. Ensure that you keep the words, letters exactly as provided. Do not change the capitalization or the small letters. Precision is key. Double-click each value and set the value data to 1. Continue installation, exit the registry editor, and return to the setup screen. Continue with the Windows 11 installation as usual. This should bypass the secure boot, TPM 2.0, RAM and CPU requirements during the setup process. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.